Hey everyone, want to stop paying for CapCut Pro? In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription and turn off auto-renewal in just a few simple steps. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap the Me profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top, under your Pro membership, tap View Details. On the next page, tap Manage next to your Pro membership, or simply select Billing, depending on what you see. You'll now see your subscription details, including your next billing date. Tap the Cancel Subscription button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Tap Cancel Auto Renewal to confirm your choice. That's it. Your CapCut Pro subscription has now been canceled. You'll still be able to use all your Pro features until the end of your current billing period, but you won't be charged again unless you subscribe again. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.